Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this retro starburst background in Photoshop. To get started, make a new document by going to File, New. Because I'm going to make a YouTube thumbnail background, I set the size to 1920 by 1080 pixels with 300 pixels per inch resolution and with RGB color. Then click Create, add a gradient layer, change the second opacity stop to 100%, change the first color stop to 73BDA8, and the second color stop to ECE6C2, and click OK. Now make sure the gradient layer is selected, then go to Filter, Distort, and select Wave. Click Convert to Smart Object. Then follow these settings. And click OK. Then go to Filter menu again. Distort. Now select Polar Coordinates and select Rectangular to Polar. Click OK. Now drag the vintage texture onto the canvas. You can use any vintage texture image which you can download from any source of your favorite. Now I'm going to rotate this vintage texture image 90° clockwise by right-clicking on it and selecting Rotate 90° clockwise. Press and hold the Alt and Shift buttons while dragging up the size handler to scale up the image until it fills the entire canvas. If you're done, click the check mark. Change the blend mode to soft light. Now activate the polygon tool and make a polygonal shape starting from the center. Then at the properties box, change the pathfinder to subtract front shape. Set the start ratio to around 40%, the radius of rounded corners to 0, the number of sides to 100, and no stroke. Minimize the properties box. Now scale up the star shape, like that. Press and hold the Alt key while dragging the right side handle to the right, and drag the top side down a bit. Then double click the star layer thumbnail and change the color to black. Change the blend mode to soft light. If you want to hide the star shape's paths, open the Paths panel and click on the empty space. Here I would like to scale down the star shape a bit. And now select the star layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Open the properties box. Change its color to 6F5643 and click OK. Minimize the properties and change the blend mode to hard light. Now make sure the star layer copy is still selected. Press and hold the Alt and Shift keys while dragging the top handler outward to scale it up. And hide the paths to see the final result. Here we go. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video and until next time.